Welcome students. Today we will start a new chapter, that is HCF and LCM. Okay. Now first understand what is the full form of HCF. The full form of HCF is highest common factor, and the full form of LCM is least common multiple. Okay. Then here we have to find the highest common factor. Okay. So that first we will find the factors of the given number. Okay. Then here see in the practice set 23. Okay, here you have to only find the factors of the given numbers and find their common factor, not the HCF. That we will find in the next practice set, that is in practice set 24. Okay, now let's start with this. See the first one. The first question is here you have to find the factors of 12 and 16. Okay, then here first we will write the factors of 12 and here factors of 16. Okay, now here the factors of 12 is, see here, the every number is divisible by 1 and a number itself, means here 12 and 16, whatever number will be there, it's divisible by 1. Then the first number is 1, then we will write the first number. After that the 12 is divisible by 2 because in the unit place there is 2. Okay, and the next is 3. Then for 3, all of you know the test of divisibility, that is 3. Test of divisibility of 3, that is we will add the digit, that is 1 plus 2 is 3. Then the 12 is divisible by 3 also. And 12, here in the tens and unit place, what is a test of divisibility of 4? That is we have to see the unit and the tens place. Here in the unit and tens place there is 12. Then 12 is divisible by 4. Okay, now the next one, the next number is 6. Okay, after that the 6, the last number, the last factors which is divisible by 12 is 12. Okay, every number is divisible by itself. Clear? Now in the same manner we will find the next one, that is factors of 16. Then first we will write 1, then 2, then after that is 4, and then after that 8 2s are 16, that means 8, and 16 1s are 16. Okay, then these are the factors of 12 and these are the factors of 16. Okay, the first part is over, means all the factors of given numbers is over. Now we have to find their common factors. Okay, then we will see the common factors between them. Then here, see here 1 is common, then we will write here 1. After that 2 is common. Now next see here 4 is common. Okay, and therefore the common factors of 12 and 16 are 1, 2 and 4. Okay, now see the next question, the question number 2. What is that? 21 and 24. Then we will find the factors of 24, 21 and 24, that is factors of 21, factors of 24. Okay, now see here factors of 21, first we will write 1, after that 3, 21 is also divisible by 7, and after that 21. Okay, now next number 24, 24 is divisible by 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8 3s are 24. See here 2 12s are 24, 3 8s are 24, 4 6s are 24, 6 4s are 24, 8 3s are 24, and after that 12 2s are 24, and 24 1s are 24. Okay, now these are the factors of 21 and 24. Okay, then here we have to find the common factors. Okay, now common factors is 1 and 3. Then here we will write 1 and 3. Okay, similarly see the next one. Here also you have to find the factors of the given numbers. Then here the third one, the third question is 25 and 30. Then here we will find factors of 25, factors of 30. Okay, then factors of 25 is 1, after that 5, and then 25. Okay, and for 30, the factors of 30 is 1, 2, 3, 5. See here, 2 15s are 30, 3 10s are 30, 5 6 are 30, 6 5s are 30, 10 3s are 30, 15 2s are 30, and 30 1s are 30. Okay, then we will find the common factors. That is 1 is common, and after that see here 5 is common. Okay, now similarly you have to solve okay, now see there are 24 and 25. One more sum, the fourth one, 24 and 25. Okay, then here see here, we will write factors of 24, factors of 25. Okay, then first the factors of 24 is 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, then 6 4s are 24, 8 3s are 24. Okay, here it is given written. Okay, 1 to the same we will copy here, that is 1 2 3 4 6 8 12 and 24, and the factors of 25 is here. See in the previous one, that is 1 5 and 25. Now as you can see here, the common factors, only 1 is common between these two. Okay, then here we will write 1. Clear? Now in the next one, that is in 56 question, is your homework. Now we will move to the next practice set, that is practice set 24. Here we will find the HCF of the given number, means the highest common factors. Okay, now before we will start this practice set, just mark this: question number 6 7 8 9 10 are omitted from your syllabus for this year. Okay, now from this practice set we have to do this 5 sums and this word problems. Okay, this 4 word problem from this practice set, only for this practice set. Okay, now we will start the HCF. Okay, HCF means highest common factor. So similarly, first we will find the common factor. Okay, then the first one, that is 45 and 30. Then similarly we will find factors of 45, factors of 30. Okay, then factors of 45 will be 1, then it will divisible by 5, then 9 5s are 45. Here 5 9s are 45, 9 5, sorry, here 3, it is divisible by 3 also. 1, then 3, because 4 plus 5 is 9. Okay, and after that it is divisible by 5. Okay, and here see it is 9, and what is the test of 9? That is it is divisible by 9, that is 4 plus 5 is 9, then it is 9, then 15, and after that 45. Okay, now 30, for 30, 1 2 3 5 6 are 30, 6 5s are 30. Okay, and here see, here it is written the same, I will copy here, that is 10 3s are 30, 5 15 2s are 30, and 30 1s are 13. Now these are the factors of the given number, that is 45 and 30. Okay, now in the previous sum we have found the common factors. Okay, now here we have to find the HCF, means highest common factor. Okay, then which first we will write the common factor. See, first we will make the common factor, that is 1 3. Okay, and after that 1 3 5 and 15 are the common factor. Okay, then from this common factors, first we will write the common factors here. Okay, common factors, that is 1, 3, 5 and 15. These are the common factors between these two numbers. Okay, we have to find the HCF. So what is the HCF? Means it is the highest common factor. The 15 is the highest common factor. Then here we will write HCF of 45 and 30 is 15. Is it clear? First we have to find the common factors, and after that we will find the HCF, means the greatest among them. Okay, clear? Now see the next one, that is 16 and 48. The second question, 16 and 48. Then find the factors of 16, factors of 48. Okay, then factors of 16 is 1, 2 8s are 16, 4 4s are 16, 8 2s are 16 and 16 1s are 16. Now 48, the factors of 48 is 1, it is divisible by 2 also, that is in unit place there is 8, then 2, 4 plus 8 is 12, then it is divisible by 3. It is also divisible by 4 because in tens and unit place there is 48 and 48 is divisible by 4. Then it is divisible by 6. Why 6? Because it is divisible by 2 as well as 3. Okay, then it is divisible by 8. Okay, 8 6 are 48. Okay, then it is divisible by 12. Okay, that is 12 1s are 12, 12 2s are 24, 12 3s are 36, 12 4s are 48. Okay, then 16 3s are 48, and after that 48 1s are 48. Okay, then these are the number 1 2 3 4 6 8 12 16. Okay, and one more number is there, that is 24. It is divisible by 24 also. Then here I am writing it. Okay, 24. Okay, now we have to find the common factors. Then just mark this one, that is it is common. 2 is also common, 4 is also common, and 16 is common. Then we will write the common factors. Then that is 1 2 4 and 16, and 8 also. 8 is also common. Sorry, here first we will write 8 here, then 16. Then among this common factor, what is the highest common factor? That is 16. Then that is your HCF. The HCF of 16 and 48 is 16. Okay, now see the third one, that is 39 and 25. Okay, then first we will write the factors of 39, factors of 25. Okay, then 39, first we will write 1, it is divisible by 3 also, and then it is divisible by 13 3s are 39 and 39 1s are 39. The next number is 25. 25 is divisible by 1, 5 and 25. Okay, now as you can see, what is common in between the factors of these two numbers? That is 1 is common. Okay, then here we will write the common factors, that is 1. Okay, then your highest, here the common factors is only 1, then the highest common factors is 1, that is HCF is 1. HCF of 39 and 25 is 1. Okay, now similarly you have to solve the fourth one and the fifth one, that is your homework. Now we will move to the word problem. Okay, now just read the question, that is if large large square beds of equal size are to be made for planting vegetable on a plot of a land. What is the land of the length and breadth is given? That is 18 meter long and 15 meter wide. Okay, then what is the maximum possible length of the each bed? Means when the word is come maximum, means here you have to find the HCF. Okay, means by finding the HCF you can find by by finding the HCF you can calculate the maximum possible length of the each bed. Means here you have to find the HCF of 18 and 15 meters. Okay, now see here the second one. As it is a word problem, okay, we will find the we will write the statement. Okay, then here what is the gear? To find the maximum possible length. Okay, when the word maximum, greatest word is coming, that time you have to find the HCF. Find the maximum possible length of each bed. We have to find HCF of which number? That is 18 and 15 meters. 18 and 15. Okay, then here first we will find the factors. That is factors of 18, factors of 15. Then what is the factors of 18? That is 1, 2, 3. Then after that 9 2s are 18. Sorry, 6 3s are 18. Then 9 2s are 18 and 18 1s are 18. Okay, then these are the factors. That is 1, 2, 3, 6, 9 and 18. And the factors of 15 is 1, 3, 5 and 15. Okay, then first we will write the common factors. See, now what is common factors? That is 1 and 3. And what is the highest common factor? That is HCF of 18 and 15 is 3. Okay, that means 3 is our answer. That is the maximum possible length of each bed is 3. Here we will write the answer. That is the maximum possible length of each bed is 3. Okay, now similarly you have to solve the next sums. Here you have to find the HCF. Okay, all of you know how to find the HCF. Means here you will find the HCF for 8 and 12, and whatever answer you will get, that is here the final answer. Okay, here you will find the factors of 140 and 196. Okay, here 2610 and 1980. Okay, now with this practice set is over. In next video we will see how to find the LCM. Okay, how to find the LCM.